Here I have Vivo Y72, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly, you have to open headphones case, then you have to enable Bluetooth on your device, tap pair new device, and after you see these headphones in the list of the available devices, just tap on them, and after that they will be paired. So if you want to disconnect from them, just tap on them here, and here you have two options. You can either disconnect or forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.